Good afternoon, everybody. The Irish Demon here, back with another video. Now, we just had a bit of a harrowing episode take place in Judge DeSanto's court. Mr. Carmona, someone we've seen before, that guy that said that she was really pretty and said a lot of real stuff, came in there and basically he threatened to do some things to himself, if you know what I mean. And I have to tread very lightly in how I say this here on YouTube as well, you know. Now, as I was watching it, I at first felt bad for him, and then I wasn't sure if maybe he was somebody in need of some serious help or just somebody trying to manipulate the system. Now, I do have the full video of this and I'll do a more in-depth video on it later on today, but for now I want to show you this epic part. Basically, he was telling the judge about how he was going to run away and never be found, to be swiftly found and taken away. So you let me know down below what you think and we'll catch you later. Now, as you guys know, I've been fighting the good fight here against the demonetization and the inability to live stream. I did get some contact back from YouTube today and basically they said it's my fault. They can't see any issues on their end or something, so we're fighting it. And just to make sure you support this channel, make sure and hit that like button, share this out, comment down below, or consider leaving a tip in the PayPal tip jar, or getting some merch or any of that good stuff.
So here's my deal. I'm going to end up getting locked up eventually. The best case that I have, the best shot I have is just run away. Dip on out. Maybe I'll get locked up. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'm prolonging the inevitable. Maybe I'll just be just fine living somewhere completely else for my entire life.
Why do you think that you're going to be locked up eventually if you are?
Well, I'm just saying, like, if I'm out there and you guys put down like a triple star, like 5 stars, like, yes, this guy, if you pick him up, he needs to come back for sure. Well, then, yeah, maybe I'll get locked up if I get pulled over on a speeding ticket or hazard, like my backlight's not working or something like that. But maybe I'll never get pulled over again. Maybe I'll never run into the law ever again. And maybe I'll be just completely fine. And honestly, I'd rather take the chance on that. Just like the Haitian individual who asked me to cut his tether off with a sawzall, which I would not do.
There was a Haitian individual that wanted you to cut their tether off?
I thought he was crazy. Now I'm like, sorry, it broke up again.
No, that's okay. You thought he was crazy and now you're what?
Now I'm like, oh, I see your point. I don't think I'll ever get picked up, even if I did get pulled over. I'd be like, ah, whatever. Because of how not serious my crime is. Because my crime's laughable. Because my whole life is a joke. Hence why I love that movie so much.
Why is your whole life a joke? Is your whole life a joke?
Trying to reposition this computer.
What's that?
Well, look at the first court date. It was hilarious. All it was crafting lying emojis the entire time. Everywhere I go, I tell jokes. Hey, what's Bruce Lee's favorite drink? What, huh? What's Adolf Hitler's favorite letter? I don't know either, but it's not Z. I got another really good one, but it's like 2 minutes long.
What's that one?
I don't know why the connection got so crappy all of a sudden. I got Verizon, pay $500 a month for my business account, and it doesn't even cooperate. I got my golf clubs. I got all my stuff. Pack it all up.
What's that 2-minute joke?
Get the heck out of here. Sell my Saturn Sky. Make money for child support once the baby's born.
What's your 2-minute joke that you said you have?
Never get to be a dad.
You can sell.
Oh my gosh, there's a cockroach in here, dude. Ew. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, see, that's another sign I need to leave. Holy cow. I don't think that this is a joke. I'm not trying to take your guys' time lightly at all. I just want you to let me go and leave me alone. That's it. Just leave me alone.
Well, you said you had
Pants
another
on so I can
joke.
go
What's that?
outside.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Well, there's no punchline to it, if you want to know.
Okay, well, go ahead.
All right. It's pretty good. It's a dad joke. So the other day I was on this hill doing kung fu, lady, and I'm not saying that to puff you up or nothing. Like when you watch this, like you're probably gonna cry. Not for me or Lauren or anything, like just in general. And he doesn't die in the end. Like it ends up happy. It ends up happy. Oh, Chris probably hasn't seen it either. It's a good one, Chris. Nightcrawler, that's another good one. But anyway.
I've seen it, Anthony.
Joker? So good. So good. So good. So good.
So what are your plans? I mean, how long are you planning on staying at the motel or the hotel that you're at?
I know, right? Cockroaches implies that it could have been a motel, but well, horrible. Not only that, there's black mold all over the place. Cockroaches. It smells disgusting. And you're scared for your life. You have a sign right there that says, if you rape someone, these will be the charges. If? Are you kidding me? I crawled on the ground to get under a couple individuals. There's this old black guy that was heavy set and he was sitting there sleeping on the bench. I said, I'm going to crawl under him because I don't think he's going to get up for a long time. And I sat under him in the fetal position and I heard people talking about me the whole time behind me, saying things like, I'm about to grab him and snatch him out from under there and just yank him out here and just start beating this. I'm telling you, this is the truth. Because I got drunk one night and missed a couple drug tests that I'm clean for anyway. I'm probably clean from marijuana today.
Well, that would be good.
It'd be good if it was out of my hair. I wish I was over 7 years. It is not.
What was that about 7?
Well, after 7 years, it's no longer in your hair.
Oh,
I wish I never touched it again. Every time that I touched marijuana, bad things happened. And nothing to do specifically with marijuana, but that's what I was telling you about when a man does, a wise man truly believes that what he does and what happens to him are connected, even if it doesn't, even if it's not necessarily like hitting a domino when it hits the next one. It is, but it's spiritual. Bad things happen to me when I do something wrong.
what kind of bad things?
Well, no way. Really? Oh my God.
What's that?
I knew this was gonna happen, man. You guys are really locking me up.
What?
What are you guys doing?
I think you're okay.
I'm fine.
You said some questionable stuff on someone.
Guys, please. No, I'm good. Nothing's gonna happen. I'm still on the things to judge.
Yeah, we know that. What's going on with you and?
I'm just scared to go to jail. No, not to any degree.
We're sure talking.
Okay.
You're not.
Judge DeSantos, they're on the cops are here. No,
Oh,
absolutely not.
okay.
No.
Well, so then at least, so we know that you're safe right now then.
Anyone in here? I'm scared to go to jail. I don't want anyone to
We're
come
not
here.
taking you to jail. We can't even take you to jail for what happens on there.
Okay.
We can't.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. We're fine. I promise. Going through a divorce. My wife. Okay. I just said I'm depressed beyond belief.
So even if you were sentenced to jail, we're not going to do anything silly.
No, absolutely not. No way.
That's,
No.
I
I
will
promise.
watch you on.
I promise that will not happen. I promise. I
On a
promise.
camping trip soon, so you don't want to ruin it, right?
Correct. They're taking a report, Mr. Santos.
I'm not. I'm just grabbing
I
your
just want
name.
her to know that I'm not ignoring her. Yes.
She knows. I think she knows before. What's your name? Anthony?
Carmona, Joseph. Come on, man. Why are you guys? Come on, man. Where are you guys going? Please don't.
You're good, man. If we were to take you, we already took you, right? Yeah. Hey, we're not taking you.
It's scaring me, man.
You're
I
good.
can't go to
Nothing to be
jail.
scared of. We're not taking
Please. My name's
you.
Anthony.
CARMONA.
Yes, and I'm fine. Okay? I'm just gonna close the door now, okay?
No, keep it open.
Okay.
What's your birthday?
61092. You guys are taking me out. Come on, man. All right.
Step out here. She's got guns.
It's empty.
There's a gun.
No shelves.
All right, so Mr. Shenke, I think at this point,
There's a hatchet behind me.
Deputy,
You're able to have weapons, you're allowed to, nothing wrong with that.
Deputy,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so we weren't really sure where Mr. Carmona was located. And so, he had indicated that he was going to harm himself and that he had a shotgun in the room.
Yeah, we're looking for weapons right now. About that 20 gauge you was talking about.
Can you be honest? Are you guys locking me up?
Yeah. He's got a hedge right here, a slingshot. We knew to be on.
Do you still need us on here, ma'am?
I'm sorry?
Do you still need him to be on live still? Would you like me to keep this on?
No, that's okay. Are you taking him into custody?
We don't know yet. He hasn't really told us anything. We're still talking to him.
Okay, as of now, he's ordered to, report for to jail in Wayne County, but, you can, stay in communication with Sergeant Cons if you'd like, and we can update, and if you can keep us updated, we can update you as well.
Okay, I have the sergeant's number, so I'm gonna give him a call here in about 2 minutes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, we're going off the record.
Okay, thank you.
Judge.
I know, and that's why.
Well, there we have it, folks. As I said, it's a very unusual scenario. It's something that you have to be careful with because you don't really know what's going on inside somebody's head. So I'm not really sure how I feel about this one. Let me know what you think down below. We'll catch you in the next one, folks. Sláinte.